Alright, so you guys can tell. You guys already know this is a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo that we had. We got that too much work for like a couple years. Well, I mean, not bad. Obviously, this one had a click. If you start to steep up, it's got a click. So we gotta stop the click. Unfortunately, the minus terminal is disconnected. You guys ever seen the video of installing a fan? Check that out. We have these wires are connected to the positive terminal here. That's obviously. First thing, you had to take this bezel off from the radio and the vents. And make sure you gotta remove this bezel from here. Between the shifter and both secret lighters. Again, you have to. Let me zoom in now from you. As you can see, you had to connect this red cable into the plus terminal, while the minus terminal is disconnected. Oh, by the way, you guys haven't seen the video of new taillights. You have to go and check it out. First thing, next thing you want to do is to screw this down. The next thing you want to do is to install this. I don't think it should be enough room to install it. So we're going to use the screwdriver here to screw it all the way up. Obviously. Anyway, I don't know what this one does. There's a dome light in the back. There's a jack stand here. Next thing you want to do is to unscrew the cable screw to connect us to the speaker there. Obviously. So next thing you want to do is to connect these wires, and next thing you want to do is to screw it back in. We had this out of Ford Explorer Eddie Bauer. So this is going to be interesting. There we go. And that's how you install a thing here. So the first thing you want to do is to reconnect the terminal connected to the minus. We got power. Obviously. We're not starting the Jeep up yet because we got the power features. Obviously. There we go. What are we gonna do now? Start it up. Air conditioner turned on. Unfortunately. Let's do a demo at the sound. Let's check. All right. Now it's been connected. Air conditioner turned on, so I had to turn that down. Wait, what the hell is that noise? Let's take a look at the motor and see what's going on. That was a click. So I had to replace that and see if it stops clicking. The Jeep is running. Builds are good. There's last thing. Make sure we had this connected into the plus. And we reconnected to the minus. So that's really good. One thing you'll notice, the air conditioner's on, like I said. Here we go. We demonstrated some sound. Here we go. So we have it installed. Awesome. Here we go. Alright, that'll be it. Let's turn the volume up. Slide the seat back. So there we have it. There we go. We tested it out. So cool. There we have it. Cool. So everything is working good. Air conditioner's on. Battery is good. Oh. Freaking dome light. Anyway, This Jeep has only got 18,940 miles on it. Once we got a Jeep running. There you go. There we have it. Let's close the hood. That'll be it for today. The Jeep is going to up to 4.0 liter power tech. You gotta put everything away. Put everything in this box. There we guys. There we have it. Jeep is running. Radio's working.
Stay is right around the corner. Excited yet? Just hear that.
The sound system's working.
Straighten teeth with invisible
Motor's running.
sent directly to you. And we straighten most grins in just 6
The minus
months.
terminal's
So you'll love
reconnected.
your grin by Valentine's Day. You know this ad makes
That's pretty much about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's cut the Jeep off. That'll be it. Yeah, we need to put the windows up. Fortunately, the windows need to roll up. I'm gonna get the key and turn it on and we'll roll the windows up. That's it.